What's up guys, so welcome to another video on the BMW E90, but this time the facelift. We already did rear caliper and pads on this car because the caliper was breaking all the time, and now it happened also that this, well, it happened again also in the front caliper, but on the right side. We did already the right side, but it makes no sense to make a video of both sides, so we'll just have the video of this left side. We have here brand new remanufactured so it's not new, it's brand new remanufactured caliper from Brembo. I'm guessing they take the calipers, original BMW calipers, the Brembo is remanufacturing. I don't know if the original is Brembo, I don't know, doesn't matter. Brand new, this really brand new ATE discs or rotors, whatever you want to call it, contains one disc. Okay, then they call it disc here. And brand new pads as well. Let's get going. So let's start by loosen the lugs, and I don't know who installed these wheels. Because this shit is really tight. So, let's do this first. I'll just show one. It's crazy how tight this is, man. And okay, by the way, my buddy here just reminded me. First of all, if you like this video and stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you don't like the jazz music, you can fuck off. No, but you can also say in the comments if you like the jazz music or not. So I'm already applying some penetrating fluids in this stuff, and I guess we can also already use some here for the back bolts, the bracket bolts, I mean. Yes, where is it here? Right, exactly. Spray this shit around so that it's easier to take off. Now we don't really, this guy looks similar, I think. We don't really care about damaging this or this because we are replacing all that, which means I think I can use, well, this is not damaging anything, but anyway, let's get this guy out of here if I can. Oh, that's not jazz anymore. Could you check if that's an advertising or what is this? Sounds like an advertising. Thanks. Here we go. Whoa! That was easy. So this is out, this blah blah blah. Now what we have to do, easy. We take the caps off, and we can also keep in mind this side. Unlike the other side, you have here this wear indicator cable, so we also have to take care of this. I need some light here actually. I keep banging with the camera everywhere. So, that's nice, thank you, man. Let's see, here we have this wear indicator, we have to pull it. I'll use a plier to pull it out, so I'm sure that I don't damage it. And we'll also need to, here it's in the nipple. Jesus Christ, am I pulling it the wrong side or what? No, it cannot be so hard to take this out. Jesus Christ, well, okay, so you have to open this to remove this cable, and then I will leave the original, but you can replace them if you want. So we got this out of the way with a screwdriver to help leverage here to get this. Now, I'm going to crack this open just a little bit, just to make sure that, well, actually no, again, this one we don't care about. I will actually close it. We need to crack open the big one. We need to crack open the big one before we get the caliper out. Let's see if I can. Is this the right size? I believe so. And which way to crack open? I think it's that way. The other side was easy. Yeah, this side was easy as well. As we can see, it's nice and loose. And now I will start getting the caliper pins out. I have the right tools now. Let's put this guy in place. This is a hex or something. And here we go. Now we can, this is the wrong way, or no, this has to be the right way. So, here we go. There's one. Let's do the other one. That's two. That's it. Now just get the caliper guide pins out. I think we're ready to get this out, or? Still not. Maybe not. Okay, the pins are out. Now it has to be possible. Here we go. Voila! Caliper is out. I guess it needs here some hammering to get the pads out. Okay, this pad is out. This pad we can also get it out. Why not? Here we go. And now I will get the hook to put it here. Could you get the hook, man? Maybe? You know where the hook is? No? Okay, I'll stop the video. Now we have to take this caliper bracket off. And actually the impact gun works really well for one of them. Unfortunately not for both because there's not enough space, but it doesn't matter. At least we can get one of them off like this. Here we go. You see? Works very nicely, but there's not enough space to get the other one properly because of that bolt there. But yeah, breaker bar is also okay for this. Okay, with the bracket off, now we can take the disc off. This is easy, but just to make sure this bolt is not stuck, we normally use a little bit of hammer. There we go. And now let's take the right size. This doesn't seem like the right size. Okay, strange. This is the right size. Okay, it's not strange. Perfectly normal. Okay, that doesn't seem like jazz anymore if you... Okay, this is a bit... Okay, here we go. It's loose. There we go. And we're off. Now we just have to do basically the same in reverse order. Kind of. We still need to replace the caliper, but I'm going to clean this off a little bit with the brush, put some ceramic paste on, and then put the new disc on. Okay, we have the new disc going in. Oh my god, this stuff is heavy. And of course I was not smart enough to put this here already. Okay, here we go. Yeah, is it going in? Yes. Perfect. So we can already start switching the tools back to Titan because we are kind of good to go. So this is tight. Yes, I can still try tighten just a bit more. You obviously don't need to go crazy. Perfect. So now what? Now we can put the bracket back on. So we need the bracket, which I have brushed already, and we need the bolts, which are here, but I will also brush clean them and use a little bit of thread locker. Where's the brush? Brush, here it is. So I can brush them a bit like this, and then I'll put a bit of thread locker and I'll come back. So let's put a bit of this thread locker here. Why not? We do it the Chris Fix way. The Chris Fix way. And we try to find the hole. That's what we are always doing, right? And ideally we should... Okay, I don't know what's going on. Is this the place? Oh man. Come on. This cannot be so hard. Okay, I'll do this off camera. It's taking too long, but you know what to do. Okay, so the bracket is now tightened. The torque spec for the bolts, I don't know if I said it, it's 110 Newton meters. It was not very easy actually to get the leverage. Let's open here the reservoir. Oh, if I can. My God, what's going on? Wow. Okay. We open this, so the level is right between max and min, so it's fine. But I will take this caliper and I will get this tool, which I like very much, and I'll push the cylinder back in, even if actually it's quite okay. I can't. This is not big enough. Okay. It is big enough, so we can see. Cylinder is going back in. Yeah, bottomed out. Perfect. Now we can start replacing it with the other one. I will start unscrewing this, which is the right way. This is the right way. Okay. So I'll start turning it like this. I'll turn it like this until it's off, and then I'll put the new one back in the same way. This doesn't need to be on camera, but I think you know how to do it. Where's the tuning out of this? Okay, we have the caliper now kind of installed. The pads are also here, so I'm gonna try to push this thing in, but I might need, yeah, I think I need to use a plier here because just my hands alone are difficult. But anyway, this needs to go in. Yeah, it's going in the right direction. And as soon as I have this sensor in, I can put the the caliper back in place, and yeah, continue with the job basically. So we're on the final stretch more or less. I'm gonna put the caliper guide pins back in. I use a little bit of thread locker because hey, it's for free, or almost for free, and it's a good guarantee that these suckers will not come off just because of vibration. Oh, so this goes in here, and then you tighten this. This is not a big secret, so I think I can do this off camera. But if you're curious about torque specs, I believe these are to be torqued to about 30 Newton meters. Okay, I'll see you back in a minute.
I'm getting excited.
Yeah, I see. So we're continuing with the brake job. There's some stuff done off camera because we can't stop talking, but yeah, this spring is back here, and actually, yeah, give me just a minute. I need to, or I'm going to tighten here the caliper pins a little bit again. So is this to tighten? Yes, it is, because I just did it a little bit, because then it's easier to put this spring back in. Okay, but now it's better. So I'm going to do this. The brake line is already tight. Now this is tight, and you know, this is 30 Newton meters. So this is just like with a wrench like this, just get it tight and that's it. Okay, man, you can, well, actually, yeah, push it easy, but not too crazy, so this will at least break. Sorry, are you pushing the... Okay. Okay, that's enough. You can let go. All the way out? Okay. Yeah, you can go. It doesn't need to be slow. Then, okay, now I've opened the brake line. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, push slowly. We should start seeing some brake fluid here coming with some bubbles, but not too many bubbles. Okay, then slowly out. Yeah, slowly all the way in. Slowly out. I already didn't see many bubbles. Excellent. Slowly in, all the way. It's okay. I didn't see any bubbles. Yeah, slowly out all the way. Okay, slowly in a bit. And I don't see any bubbles. I will lock it. Okay, you can stop. So. Yes. Very well. We have here just a little bit of fluid. And we check the fluid and it's okay. So, that's it. I'll hit this with some brake cleaner and put the wheel back in. But that's the job done. Everything is tight. Right? Yes, everything is tight. The job is done. Everything is replaced. We just have to put the wheel back on and enjoy. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. See you. Bye.